know. You know we only like the belt, right, with what you were doing. Okay, but you know that belt was enough to get you a slot in the competition.
My advantage in this competition probably is going to be my creativity. I describe my personal style as laid back, rugged, edgy.
Erica, the other two judges liked what you were doing. I wasn't too hot about it, and I actually think that you may have a styling problem. However, the fact that you did all the sculptural work, the crochet work, tells us that you love your craft. You won't mind going the extra mile to learn more things and to learn to style better. And I guess that's enough to get you into the competition. So congratulations.
I think I would win because madami pa akong mapapakita na very artistic way, na parang hindi masyado makikita through designers na parang ano lang, embellishment. Laging may story yung outcome ng dresses ko.
Porty, I like your sketch very much. And as you said, as I said a while ago, I was disappointed that I didn't see it made, but I know that you thought that the sketches were supposed to be different to show your range. We think that you've got what it takes to be part of the competition and to give us a good showing. So congratulations, you're part of the 18 and you're on your way, one step nearer to becoming Mega's Young Designer of the Year 2012.
As a young designer, for me, it's not about the glitz and glamour of fashion. It's like a form of activism on my part because I'm a member of a political organization in UP. So for me, this is an advocacy.
Hazel, your clothes were safe, but they were a little boring. But they were clean. And so we were divided on whether or not to give you a chance to be part of the competition. Yes, we're giving you a chance, Hazel. So you already know what we're looking for. We hope you give us something that we will be excited about and not be bored about next time. Just as clean as what you made, but more exciting. Show us what you can do that others cannot.
I'm still looking for my own look. Hopefully I will find it here. Feeling ko yung competition mas stress ako, so sana hindi ako iiyak. Ayun.
Corleen, you know we were horrified when we saw the office uniform, right? Yes. And normally that's enough for us not to consider you to be part of the competition. Despite showing us a test the uniform, we think that we would like to see you in the Mega Young Designers competition. So please show us the same craftsmanship, but in a more innovative way. Make us not regret putting you in our top 18.
Sa pagkakaalam ko na ako lang ang representative ng Mindanao, iba yung excitement at saka yung proudness na pangyayari.
Hello po. Christian, gusto mo bang makasali? O sige, bibigyan ka namin ng chance. So you're in. We think you have a good chance. And besides, we'll be giving you money for your clothes para hindi na papel ang lining mo. So you just work hard and do your ate proud, okay?
Siguro may purpose sa akin si God kung bakit ako nandito at bakit ako nabuhay. Siguro pagkakataon ko na ito para ibigay yung talento ko. Deserving din ako manalo dito sa competition.
Mary! Yes. Well, you heard what our judges had to say, you know, and we think that you have to be working with material that's better than jersey. But we think that you're someone who will listen, and you're also somebody who will make us laugh during the competition. So I think just based on that, we think you should be given a chance to become Mega's Young Designer of the Year 2012.
Born and raised in Cebu City, land of the great Lechons, I got bigger and more voluptuous. Like, I've never joined a contest ever. Like, ever. Super. Because I get scared of the rejection and all that. I want to give them, I want to show them a lighter side of a designer. And I want to show them that voluptuous women like me can actually be sexy. Right? Right.
And, alam mo naman, hindi namin nagustuhan yung mga damit na pinakita mo, hindi ba? O hindi mo alam? Yes? Ha? Medyo alam mo. Yes, in fact, sabi ko nga, kung sasali ka sa competition, bawal humawak ng tela na makintab. Okay? Hindi yun pwede. But, however, that's why. Pumayag naman si Angela na tulungan ka. And so, yes, you're in. Congratulations. We're going to be giving you a chance. I'm sure matutuwa ang mga magulang mo.
Yung inspiration ko po, yung parents ko. Kasi kung kahit sobrang against sila before, nung na-prove ko na talaga, sobrang natuwa sila sa akin. And yun, hindi na nila na kayang-kaya ko.
Ram, you know that the judges like your work, right? I don't like your sketch so much, though. And I hope you're not going to be giving us this sort of work during the competition. Or just maybe siguro, alam nga naman mag-pleats ka, nag-hablon the whole time, hindi ba? But, of course, your application pieces were just more than enough to get you a slot in the competition. I think you're one of our top contenders. Pag hindi ka nag-iba, if you're consistent, if you even show us better than what you showed us, I think you've got a really good chance of being Mega's Young Designer of the Year 2012. So congratulations, and I look forward to seeing more of your work.
Feeling ko yung advantage ko dito is I design for a cause. Kasi gusto kong tulungan yung dying community, yung weaving community sa Panay. Most especially dun sa Iloilo. Kasi before, maraming pagkukunan ng hablon tsaka abaka. Pero ngayon, parang 2 taon na lang. Sa tingin ko, ako yung next young designer ng Mega. Kasi alam ko magaling din ako.
Welcome. You are the 18th contestant to the Young Designers Competition 2012. Congratulations to all of you. And please prove to everyone that every season, the crop of young designers becomes better than the last. 18 fashion hopefuls, 8 runway finalists, 1 ultimate winner. Who will be the last designer standing? This is Generation Mega, Mega's Young Designer Competition 2012.
Sa tingin ko po, ang pinaka-makakalaban ko is parang lahat sila, yung mga nakagraduate from fashion school. And one is Osgo. Kasi parang nagko-fashion week na siya, ibang level na.
I think yung biggest competitor ko dito is si Mary. Pareho yung Bisaya.
I particularly like Chen's work, the one with the patch lace and like unfinished skirt and stuff. It's really nice.
Yung biggest competitor ko dito is Sir Oz.
My biggest competition here would be Osgo. I've known him na magaling siya sa techniques niya.
I think my biggest competition is Erica Pandillo. But actually, Erica Pandillo is a former student, and I know her capabilities as a fashion designer.
It's cliche, pero syempre ang una ko naisip yung sarili ko nga.
My biggest competitor will be myself.
Actually, hindi ko pa nakita yung, yung mga damit ng iba. Parang yung ilan lang, siguro sa mga kalala ko. But for me, I think the biggest competition is myself.
Biggest threat in this competition, I guess myself.
May nag-answer na me, no? Oh, kasi me sana sabihin ko. Sabihin ko na lang you.
Meron pa ba? Ang wala.
Coming right up,